Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily assign keyboard shortcuts to your Corsair M65 RGB Ultra buttons. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and we're going to start off from home. Now we're going to click on our mouse to open up settings and we're going to go to key assignments. Now here, what are we going to do? Let me quickly delete the other ones so that everything is just straightforward. What are we going to do is, if we want to assign some keyboard shortcuts, we're going to click on a plus here. Now we got the keyboard right here, and as you guys can see, we also got the macro and etc. But we are interested in keyboard. Now as you guys can see, here we have the button that we want to choose. So we can choose from the device image. We can also swap the image. And for example, I want to choose this button and I want to put it as, let's say, let it be Windows. And now we're going to go over and change the DPI down button to Windows R. Now, it should work. I mean, I have to add it again. So here we're going to go to keyboard. Now, DPI up and Windows, and it should work like this. So as you guys can see, it works. It opens up our run program. So you can easily assign the shortcuts. I mean, the shortcuts are not accessible like that, but as you guys can see, you can make something happen. And here, for example, we're just gonna do that. As you guys can see, I press it and it presses R. So that's how you guys can do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.